If you haven't taken any of our past vocabulary lessons on telling the time, there is a link to each of them further below. So please check them out before you come to this lesson. All right? But if you have taken all those lessons and you are solid on the vocabulary necessary for telling the time in Chi, then I ask, Abosei. 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 Let's find out the answer to this question right after this. Akwaba. So since you've taken our past lessons on time telling, how do you say o'clock in Chi? Yeah, so pause the video right here and tell me how you say o'clock in the comment section below. No cheating. Okay, so we had two ways of saying o'clock in Chi, if you recall, right? So we had a singular one and then we had a plural one, right? So we had dong for the singular, if you remember, dong. And we said we only use this when we are talking about 1 o'clock. Okay, only that, dong. All right, and for the rest, 2 o'clock, 3, 4, 5, all the way up to 12 o'clock, we use the plural form of dong, which is nong, right? Nong, nong. So these are the two versions of o'clock that we have. And in today's lesson, we want to find out how to say 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4, all the way out to 12 o'clock. Okay, so that's what we are looking at in this lesson. Okay, so we start off with 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock, and that is dong ko. Dong ko. Dong ko. Okay, donko, donko, donko. So you have your dong, the singular form of, o'clock, and then we added ko, and ko is 1. Okay, ko is 1. That is what you have at the end of ba-ko, right? Ba-ko. So that ko stands for 1. So dong ko. 1 o'clock. Okay, donko, donko, donko. And then for 2 o'clock we have nong mienu, nong mienu, nong mienu, nong mienu. Okay, so it's that easy. The only difference between this and what you have in English is that in English you have the o'clock coming after the number. So you have 2 o'clock, right? But for ours, we have the o'clock coming before the number, and it runs through all of them. So instead of 2 o'clock, we have o'clock 2. So nong mienu, nong mienu. Okay, so we've had dong ko, and now we have nong mienu, nong mienu, nong mienu. Okay, and then we have nong mienza, nong mienza, nong mienza, nong mienza. Okay, and for 4 o'clock we have non 9, non 9, non 9, non 9. Okay, non 9, non 9, non 9. Okay, and then we move to 5 o'clock and we have non num, non num, non num, non num. Okay, non num, non num. Moving on to 6 o'clock, we have nonsia. 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 Okay? Nonsia. Nonsia. And then for 7 o'clock, we have nonsung. 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 Okay? Nonsung. And then for 8 o'clock, we have non watching. 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 Okay? Non watching. And then we go to 9 o'clock and we have non krong. Non krong. Non krong. Non krong. Okay? Non krong. Non krong. Non krong. And then we go to 10 o'clock and we have non-do. 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 Okay? Non-do. And for 11 o'clock, we have non-dubako. 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 Okay? Non-dubako. And for the last one, 12 o'clock, we have non-dumienu. 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 Okay? Non-dumienu. So as you can see, all of them start out with the o'clock. So either the singular one, which is dong for 1 o'clock, or the plural one, which is non for 2 o'clock onwards. Okay, so all of them start out with the o'clock, unlike in English where you have it coming after the number. Okay, so we have the dong or the non beginning it, and then after that you have the number. Okay, the number. So we've had ko for 1, mienu for 2, miensa for 3, 9 for 4, num for 5, sia for 6, song for 7, watching for 8, krong for 9, do for 10, dubako for 11, and dumienu for 12. Right? So that's your structure. Okay? So henceforth, if you are asked about saying, what is the time? Okay, about saying, and you want to answer with it's 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3, all the way up to 12, you simply say abo and you add the o'clock to it. Okay, so abo donko. Okay, abo donko. Abo donko. Abo non mienu. Abo non mienu. Abo non mienu. Abo non miensa. Abo non miensa. Abo non miensa. Abo no 9. Abo no 9. Abo no 9. Abo no num. Abo no num. Abo no num. Abo no num. abo nonsia, abo nonsia, abo nonsia, abo nonson, abo nonson, abo nonson, abo nonwoche, abo nonwoche, abo nonwoche, abo nonkron, abo nonkron, abo non-dubako, abo non-dubako, abo non-dubako, abo non-dumienu, abo non-dumienu, abo non-dumienu. Okay, and if you want to specify the AM, PM, and stuff, just like we talked about in our previous time telling lesson, the vocabulary one, you just insert the time of day, so the name of the time of day right before the time, and you have it. Okay, so I can say abo anopa nonwoche. Okay, abo anopa nonwoche, or abo enyumre nonson, abo enyumre nonson. Okay, or abo ewia donko, abo ewia donko, or abo anajo nondu, abo anajo nondu, abo anajo nondu. Okay, abo anajo nondu. And just like you have 12 o'clock in the afternoon in English, but you still have midday as a special name for that time. Okay, we also have ewia non-dumienu. Okay, ewia non-dumienu, 12 o'clock in the afternoon, but we have a special name for that time as well, and that is prem tobre, prem tobre, prem tobre. Okay, prem tobre. So instead of saying abo ewia non-dumienu, which is correct, you can also say premu ato. Okay, premu ato, premu ato, and it means the same thing, just special. Okay, premu ato, premu ato, premu ato. Okay, all right, so this is where we end today's lesson, and next time you are going to learn to tell the irregular times. Okay, so today we looked at the o'clocks, and next time you are going to look at times like 5:15, 6:45, 3:32, and all that. Okay, so do prepare with all the time lessons that we've had so far, and I'll catch you guys next time.